Thursday evening until further notice. Impacts. This is a Tornado Watch. Tornado Watch number 99 remains in effect until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and now includes the following counties in Indiana: DeKalb, LaGrange, Noble, and Steuben. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging wind, in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.